Want to keep a safe copy of your website backup on your own computer? Here's how to download it in CloudRaptor. CloudRaptor allows you to download any completed backup directly from the Backup History section. This is useful for offline storage, manual restoration, or migrating your website to another server. Scroll down to the Backup History section to view all your backups. Each backup entry contains important information you should check before downloading. You'll see details like the backup name, its status, whether it was manual or scheduled, the date and time, and the file size. Make sure the status shows completed. Only completed backups can be downloaded. Once the backup is ready, click the Get or Download button next to it. The backup file will instantly start downloading to your local machine. You can use this file for offline storage, restoring your website manually, or migrating your application to a different server. The backup will be downloaded in its original format, ready to use. If a backup is still in progress, the download option won't be available yet. So always wait until it's fully completed. Downloading backups gives you full control over your data and adds an extra layer of protection. And don't worry, your backup history will always remain available inside CloudRaptor.